Good morning, everyone. I'm so excited. I got on. I thought I'll just check if Facebook will let me get on live. I know I posted yesterday that Facebook wasn't letting me, and I felt the love. Everybody was upset, and people told me about how often that they watch them. So maybe that's why I'm here, because you guys told Facebook that you want me here. So Allison Carlson here. I'm here every morning talking to you about health, nutrition, chiropractic, exercise, and any chiropractors, if you are listening, you can probably feel my pain on this conversation. So I will have patients that come in that they'll say like, oh, every morning when I get out of bed, when I roll over, like everything in my back will crack. Or when I'm driving, I will turn to look in my blind spot and everything in my neck cracks. Is that okay? And so I have two answers, yes and no. I know that's super helpful, right? But so here is my answer. If you are not being adjusted regularly, my answer is, I guess it's not no, it's an I don't know, okay? If you are being adjusted regularly, your body knows what feeling balanced is like, and it wants to stay there. So a balanced body, a well-adjusted body, a well-adapted body, however you want to define it, will do what it needs to do to stay healthy. Okay? So somebody that isn't being adjusted, if they bend over, if they roll over in bed, if they're stretching at the gym and they hear a bunch of things pop, I'm concerned. I feel like that is a sign of a larger problem. There's probably some instability going on in there. Maybe the body just doesn't know what to do to kind of keep things like status quo and keeping you healthy. And that would be a sign for me. I'm like, you need to go to the chiropractor. Now, if somebody has been coming into my office regularly at whatever frequency we have deemed is appropriate for their condition, and they come in and they're like, gosh, I was driving today and I checked out my blind spot and all of a sudden I felt all these pops in my neck. Is that okay? That person, I am more okay with it because I feel like their body knows what is right and it is trying to do that. So do you understand that distinction there? Now, this is a completely different conversation than people that my husband is an example. So he played sports when he was little. He had a lot of ankle sprains, probably had like little micro tears at time. And so he, when he walks, he has that like clicking in his ankles. So as I say, I'm like, well, you will never be good at hide and seek. But unless you go in and do surgery to like clean up those little micro tears that cause clicking when you're walking, that's just kind of, it is what it is. But it doesn't inhibit his range of motion. It doesn't cause any pain. So sometimes people will have that. Most commonly, it's in your ankles and your knees. That is completely different than what I'm talking about here. So my rule is a balanced body, an adjusted body, an adapted body will do what it needs to maintain that state. So if your body is cracking and popping and making all those noises and you've never been to a chiropractor, I strongly urge you to check it out. If you're not in my area, you're somewhere else and you're interested, you want me to help you out, and help you find somebody, you let me know. I am here for you each and every day, you guys. Just trying to help you out. So let me know what I can do for you. Have a fantastic day. Hope you enjoyed it.